this coyote field over here, right? Hunter came last week and said the grass was too tall. Plus we got that pile of wood over there we're fixing to start on. Cooler weather's supposed to be coming in about a week or so. So we're out doing, I am out doing a little bush hogging. In the process, I'm also doing around the edges of all the fields so that if I don't get back to bush hogging again, at least I can burn them in the spring without them getting crazy away from me, burning up the tree line. Which I have a video of what that looks like, but I did that on purpose. I don't want to do it everywhere. Some of this stuff, even though we got over 21 inches of rain in the month of July, now it's about the end of August, you can see it's starting to dry up again. We've had a couple of rains since then, half inch at a time, 2 or 3 times, but this soil just dries out so fast. It's very, very sandy. Very, very sandy. Almost time to cut down some trees. Start doing some firewood. Working on the sawmill, that's coming up. Don't miss the sawmill. It's only about 92 degrees out today. But you can see there's a nice breeze blowing, so. And the humidity's a little lower, it's only about 52%. So it's comfortable for me. The humidity's much worse than the heat for me. Let's see how this is cut. Over there, already that tall. Almost all goose grass, at least that's what I call it, goose grass. It never really dries out in the winter, it stays green all winter. It stays down, but it stays green. And it doesn't seem like anything likes to eat it. It's pretty tough stuff, really. That's where the trail coming down from behind the chicken hut there. There it goes back in there. And this is the field that the hunter uses. So I told him I'd have it mowed, so I'm having it mowed. I'm just mowing it. It'll be mowed when it comes. One more time and we'll call it a video. Get up here in this thicker stuff, I can turn it around and show you what it looks like coming out the back, I guess. Here we go. Short. I don't think there'll be enough to burn next year unless we get a lot of rain and some late frost. That's okay. We need to work in this field this winter. Short grass is a good thing if you're looking out there. You don't lose logs, you don't lose things. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll talk to you later.